Hey guys, welcome back to About Technology. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fade an audio in and out in DaVinci Resolve 18. So let's get started. So here, I have an audio clip on which we are going to perform fade in and out. And let me tell you that the procedure is same for the audio clips that are attached or linked with the video clips like this. Now, whenever we hover our mouse over the audio clip, you can notice that the rectangular down arrow markers appear at both ends of the clip. Let's add a fade effect to this audio clip. For adding fade in effect, you just have to drag this marker inwards to the clip as long as you want the fade to last. And if you can notice, there is a circular node over here. You can pull this node upwards or downwards in order to make the fade curve instead of linear. It does nothing much, but it fades in a much natural way. Same way, let's try fade out. Just drag this marker inwards to the clip as long as you want the fade to last, and if required, adjust this node. Remember, you can increase or decrease the fade length anytime you want while editing. So this is how you can easily fade in and out an audio. Now let us try an alternative method to add fade effects, that is using volume keyframe. So to add a fade in effect to this audio clip, you have to select the audio clip. Make sure the playhead is at the start of the clip. Now go to inspector panel. Under audio, you have volume, and beside volume, you have to add a keyframe. For this, just click on this little diamond box beside the volume, and it will add a keyframe at the position where your playhead is. Now move the playhead further at the position where you want to add another keyframe. So go to the inspector panel, beside volume click the keyframe button, and it will automatically add the keyframe at the position where your playhead is. Now there is an alternative for adding keyframes in the clip. What you can do is simply hover your mouse over the volume channel where this double-sided arrow occurs, and simply press the Alt button and click the left mouse button. It will automatically add the keyframe at the position where your cursor was. To add a fade in effect to this audio, simply drag the first keyframe downwards, and you can see that here the music is gradually increasing. So we have faded in. Let's play the music. You might have noticed that the music is gradually increasing. That is, we have successfully faded in. Now to add a fade out effect, simply place the two keyframes at the end of the audio clip and simply pull the last keyframe downwards, and it will fade out the music. Now if we drag this middle keyframe downwards, it will fade the music between these two keyframes, and if we raise it upwards, it will enhance the music between these two keyframes. Dragging it towards left or towards right would fade the music the way it has been dragged. So that's it guys. If you want to know how you can zoom in and out in DaVinci Resolve, please click on the video at the top right corner of your screen. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more DaVinci Resolve videos, please subscribe this channel. It will notify you when any new video comes out. Feel free to comment what other new videos would you like to see in future. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next. Bye bye.